The Vivo X23 is having its fair share of leaks, and the latest one comes straight from Vivo. A promo video showcases the phone from afar and confirms the V-shaped notch that seemingly houses only the front-facing camera and the earpiece. The back also seems to feature a gradient paint job, but unfortunately there's nothing else the video reveals. Going by the previous reports, the handset will boast a Snapdragon 710 SoC and in-display fingerprint like its predecessor, the X21 UD. According to Vivo Smart Assistant Jovi, the smartphone was supposed to arrive on August 20, but that date came and went, so we are not sure what happened. Still, with all the teasers coming in lately, we can expect it to arrive sooner than later. So guys, what do you think about this? Share your thoughts and views in the comment section below. And yeah, peace.